Mortgage refinancing secrets. At federalmortgageservices.com, we've compiled a list of mortgage refinancing secrets that you may or may not be aware of. We hope this list helps you make the right decisions when choosing to refinance and enables you to get a good deal. 1. There is no such thing as no-cost refinancing. The costs are still there, but they may be rolled into the loan. This also means that you will pay interest on those fees and expenses. It's also possible that your lender will agree to pay your closing costs, but you may have to agree to a higher interest rate. 2. Refinancing isn't right for everybody. If you are underwater on your mortgage, plan on moving within the next few years or sooner, if you've had your mortgage for a long time, or if you will be charged a heavy prepayment penalty, you may not want to refinance. 3. Shop around for the best deal. A small difference in lenders' rates could mean huge savings for you. But remember, lenders may encourage you to choose the loan that makes them the most money, but isn't necessarily best for you. 4. If you can afford a shorter term, consider taking on a longer term, but commit to making higher payments. You could waste considerably less money in interest and still pay off your house faster because your extra payments will go directly to the equity of your home. 5. Know that refinancing is going to cost you. Your future savings will be your delayed gratification. 6. Some refinancing fees can be negotiated down, and some may even be waived. Don't be afraid to ask. Remember, even if you are working with a reputable company, lenders and brokers want to make money, and they may be making extra on overinflated or additional fees. Request a breakdown and explanation of all fees and negotiate like crazy. 7. If you have a good credit history, steady income, a low debt-to-income ratio, and a high down payment, the easier it will be to negotiate fees. 8. If you can, pay more in points to get a lower interest rate. Points are the equivalent of 1% of the total loan amount. The less you pay in points, the higher your interest rate will be. 9. Make sure your loan officer locks in your rate on the day you requested it. If rates go up because your lender is waiting, you could be paying for someone else's mistake. 10. Don't consider cash-out refinancing. If you're behind on your credit cards or other bills, it may not be a good idea to refinance your home loan in order to borrow more than your original mortgage. You now risk not being able to make your mortgage payments and could lose your home. At federalmortgageservices.com, we would like to have the opportunity to work with you. After you fill out our free, no-obligation quote request form, we will do our best to connect you with lenders and brokers who may make you offers. We hope to connect you with a lender or broker who makes you an offer you can't refuse, but you could also use our services as a way to comparison shop. Remember, you are under no obligation to work with any lender or broker who may make you an offer, and it's free. federalmortgageservices.com, the nationwide mortgage connection company.